This website will help you ultimately earn up to $200 or even more per day with no previous experience needed. This is a completely free method that requires no credit card nor investment to start, and it works worldwide. Now, to help you maximize your results, I'll give you 3 free websites and apps so you can earn multiple income streams at the same time. Make sure you watch this video without skipping any parts. Learn all the best strategies, tips, and useful sites. Follow my instructions and look at my examples. And you can finally make some decent money online. Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll teach you ways to make money online fast and easily. From strategies, tips, and methods will help you earn sweet bucks. Subscribe and hit that notification bell and get notified in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to leave a comment down below as well. Now let's get right into the video. So, I'm about to show you this first website where you can simply watch videos or video advertisements and make money in just a few minutes. Again, I mentioned that you don't need any previous skills or experience. Simply click play, watch the video, and earn your sweet bucks. If you're watching this video all throughout, then you're lucky because I'll be showing you 3 websites or apps for today's money-making method. You must first follow all the steps. Now, I'll show you precisely how I will do it in this video, and then try it out yourself. Take a look at how you can make real money from your favorite brand advertisements by working online. Now, step 1 is to just view video advertisements, and they will tell you how much time you should spend watching those videos. And they will reward you and pay you daily based on how long you watch those videos. Now, after watching those videos, you can earn extra bonuses by answering some extremely simple questions. It's all good. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do so, as well as how to conduct a quick survey. So you may earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 or even up to $3 per video. Now here's a bonus tip I'd like to share. As you can see, they're going to pay you an extra $1 for every friend you refer to, which is another additional source of income provided by this website. You can also download offers from the brands you love. So make sure you watch to the end to learn everything in greater detail for this website. Once you've earned up to $10, you can start cashing out your money. And the best thing is that you can get real cash and real money in as little as 24 hours. Now this company has paid out over $5,000, even up to $6,000 in cash and rewards in the first year. This is a brand new website that no one has ever heard of before, and no one else seems to be talking about it. As you can see, getting paid to watch video advertising and complete online surveys is simple and easy and convenient. They provide you with a variety of payment options. For example, you can select to get your payment through PayPal or bank transfer, a gift card, or a donation. The first one is called AdWallet. This website is 100% free and available in the Apple Store and also the Google Play Store. So you can simply download this app for free and start using it right away to sign up for this opportunity. All you need is a mobile phone and a working email address. Now have a look at these and other special tips for you using the promo code FAQ during sign-up. And you would earn $1 for free simply by creating a free account. Let me quickly show you what the app looks like in the Google Play Store. The app looks like this, and the name is AdWallet. Make sure you search for and download the correct application. Now, I'll show you your balance when you log into your AdWallet account. Now on this page, they'll show you new videos and advertisements that you can watch, and they will show you the money earned based on how much money you've made on this app. For example, as you can see, there are 3 new videos available for you to watch, and you can earn up to $3 for each video you watch, and you can withdraw your money once you've earned it by viewing advertisements. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to comment down below as well. Now let's go to the second website, which is called Bucks Insight, where you may earn money online by viewing advertisements and get paid every 10 seconds. It's extremely simple. And all you have to do is browse all of the different advertisers' websites, and you can cash out your money instantly within 24 hours and receive your payment right away. The best part about this website is you can start cashing out your money as soon as you reach $2. Now, this is a basic and easy way for anyone to generate money on these websites, because they handle many currencies. This website now rewards you via a variety of payment methods. There are many payment options available, such as PayPal, Payza, ADV Cash, BitGold, Money, and so on. Now, these are some more examples of advertising that you may see. If I click on this one, I'll be redirected to this website, where you only have to stay for like 30 seconds before closing it out. And they'll credit you with all the money, and you can do it again and again. For example, when you click on the next advertisement, you'll be taken to the next website where you'll have to stay for another 30 seconds to get paid. It's that easy. You must complete the task correctly, just like how I did it to be rewarded. If you want to register for this website, go to the registration page and click the register button, and you'll be taken to this page. When you get there, you must enter your email address and username, as well as the currency in which you want to be paid. You must then select your payment method for a variety of options. Enter your birth year, and then click I declare to have read and understood the terms of service. I want you to take advantage of these opportunities, since they will provide you with even more opportunities to generate money in the future. You can register for a free account by clicking this button. Now for the third website, where you can also earn your sweet bucks by viewing commercials, is called Success, but you can earn money by conducting online activities such as viewing commercials. Now I'll show you how to create a worldwide account. If you're coming from outside the United States, let me show you all of the people who are making money on this website. As an example, you can see where you can earn $1.20, $2, $3, and even over $3 to $4. As you can see, people are cashing out actual money on this website daily. After you register for your free account, you may begin watching advertisements and performing various basic tasks such as surveys to begin earning money, which you can then take and cash out. Now there are various methods to earn money on this website, including viewing ads and taking surveys for participating in contests, redeeming offers, listening to music, performing basic tasks, and referring others to earn money on this website. There are a total of 7 different ways to generate money. But in this video, I'm going to focus on watching advertisements because it's quite simple and requires no investment. If you want to sign up for this, simply click on the Sign Up button. You'll proceed to this page and enter your full name, password, username, and email address. Before clicking the Register button, you'll find different methods to generate money online. Once you check into your account, there are numerous popular and well-known companies such as Clicks, Wall, Ad, Click, OfferDaddy, and so on. There are so many various ways to make money, so many different websites all in one location. You can get started immediately. Now, I have a useful tip that I'd like to share with you. Now when you go to this website and sign up, you should concentrate on the Adgate Wall, since they pay the most money, and as well as Clicks Wall. Now, Clicks Wall is the second one that you should concentrate on. Again, make sure to pay attention to both Clicks Wall and Adgate Wall. I'll give you one example. You'll be taken to this page, and if you click on Adgate Wall, we can then begin viewing advertisements. For example, this is the first advertisement right, and you do not need to click on anything. Simply ignore them and ensure that you stay on the page for at least 30 seconds, after which you will be credited with all the funds in your account. Again, just select either Adgate Wall or Clicks Wall. A new page will pop up, and you have to watch different adverts and make sure to stay for at least 30 seconds and catch or earn your sweet bucks. It's that easy. By the way, if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. All right, let's dive in straight into the video. Finally, for those of you who are still watching, I'd like to share with you another tip. You may earn extra money by just referring others to this website. You can see here that you can obtain a commission of 20%, 40%, or even 100% by simply recommending other people to this website, which is Success Books. And when they make money, you can get money as well. Remember, you can make money today if you take action. Now, this is an excellent passive income strategy, aside from merely viewing advertisements to make money. This is another additional technique for making money and earning sweet bucks on this website. Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And again, if you want my #1 recommendation to make money online, be sure to check out the first link under the video description. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, I'll see you in the next videos.